When manufacturers look at PureCut, the first thing they ask about is performance. So here are 5 of the most common questions we get. 1. Will my tools last longer? Yes. PureCut consistently delivers 2 times to 3 times longer tool life by keeping heat and friction out of the cutting zone. 2. Can it reduce my cycle times? Absolutely. With cooler, more stable cutting, shops often see cycle time reductions of 30% to 60%. 3. Does PureCut improve surface finish? It does. You'll see smoother finishes, fewer burrs, and less rework thanks to cleaner lubrication and better chip evacuation. 4. Will it make my process more stable? Yes. Lower cutting forces lead to steadier machining and tighter tolerances. 5. What's the overall impact? Higher throughput, lower tool costs, longer tool life, and a clean, dry process with zero coolant waste. PureCut delivers real, measurable performance gains across every part of your operation.